Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be putting some brakes into the Supra today. We got a gkeytech.com kit for your ABS delete. It's made for Skylines and Sylvias, but in this box we have something from PHR. We have a right-hand drive ABS delete kit. I don't know why this one wouldn't work. Like, it shouldn't be too much difference. As I said, I'm not going to run the ABS. ABS is out. I did some put the AC lines in, clean them up, thinners, and yeah, the arm muscle, they come up brand new. And I've got the RaceTune. Got the RaceTune strut tower covers. I did have to drill a hole in them just to get me me adjusters through. But don't they look cool? As you see in the last video, the brake booster and clutch master is all put back in. It's slowly coming together. Well, for today, we're going to get this thing to stop. Put some brakes into it. Oh yeah, and as you see, I got a different bench here now. I got sick of all that. That was my old bench. Should have done it years ago, but got this. Cost me like 150 bucks. Got her up, and she's awesome. Way better. So I got everything laid out here. Obviously this diagram, it might say PHR ABS delete for right hand drive Supra, but the picture itself, that's for a left hand drive. So you just got to flip that in your mind, because this will go to the passenger side. And as you can say, passenger caliber, yeah, I guess the right hand side as you look at the car. PHR, you're just a little lazy, but got it all laid out. They're actually really nice lines. You can definitely tell they're good quality anyway. And they will come with your copper washers. Jeez. Copper washers, your banjo bolts, your T-bars. It's not a bad kit, and they're all pressure fittings. Everything's nice. Well, the lines are on. They run up. I had a mind blank for a second. I didn't know where the hell these plates would go, but I found them. They go there. So yeah, obviously I haven't tucked the hoses as of yet. They're just lying there. But that's pretty much the setup. As it goes in, comes back through, and yeah, I've got to find some get some mounting hardware. Maybe mount that down there, or mount some of these cables or hoses up. I'm gonna get some grommets for these holes, just to keep anything from touching and rubbing. But PHR definitely it's a simple kit, works simple. It's not bad. I'll have to get back to you once I've do some hose management. Righto, this is where we're up to. Brake lines are in, tucked away. Everything's bled. Put some heat shielding on just for the main spots where it's going to get hot. I might even zip tie them in place, but that worked out pretty good. That I'd say the main rear brake line is a little long, but it'll be right. But it'll fit it up nice and easy. I've got rid of the old brake line holders, can be bothered with that. I just got these. They're much neater. You can see they're just plastic. They bolt straight in, it's sweet as. The car's up in the air at the moment. That's what we're up to. We're done, fellas and ladies. Brake lines are in. The PHR ABS delete kit came out better than I thought. Came out neat actually. But that'll do it for this one. Not really feeling like doing too much else. It's getting late in the day, so we'll pack this one up and we'll carry on with it maybe tomorrow. Don't know what I'm going to do next, but it's coming up pretty good. And if anyone's chasing these heat slip-on, slip-over bloody heat wrap things, you just find them at your normal Autobarn or Super Cheap. They'll be there. These plastic, I'll give you a look. I've got one over here, I think. These plastic little thingos, they're cheap. You just get them at your, you know, Exceed or Super Cheap, Autobarn. Cheap as. I love the look of this. It's turning out real good. Anyway guys, catch you later. That'll do it for this one. Bye bye.